Dental bridges are an extremely popular solution to replace missing teeth. They provide a variety of advantages that improve the health of your mouth and the overall appearance of your face. In this short video, we'll look at the advantages of bridges for your teeth and the reasons why they could be the best option for you. Improved appearance. One of the primary advantages of bridges for teeth is the improved appearance they provide. The loss of teeth could have an adverse effect on the appearance of your smile. It can cause people to be self-conscious and uneasy. Dental bridges fill the gap left due to missing teeth and give you a natural and full smile. It can boost your self-confidence and boost the self-esteem of your entire family. Improved dental health. Alongside improving your appearance, dental bridges also enhance your oral overall health. If a tooth has been lost, the adjacent teeth may move out of alignment, which can cause issues in alignment of the jaw and bite discomfort. Dental bridges are able to stop this from happening by filling the gap and keeping adjacent teeth in the proper position. It can improve the overall health of your mouth and decrease the chance of having dental issues later on. Improved speech. Teeth missing can have consequences on your ability to communicate clearly. Dental bridges are a great way to restore your voice by filling the gap left due to missing teeth. It can improve your pronunciation and also help you to effectively communicate. Increased comfort. The dental bridges you purchase are made to precisely fit your mouth to ensure a secure and snug fitting. When they are placed, dental bridges work just as natural teeth. They allow the user to eat, talk, and smile confidently. It can help make your daily activities easier and more enjoyable and improve your overall quality of living. Durability. Dental bridges are constructed of durable materials made to stand up to the regular wear and tear that comes with daily usage. If properly maintained and cared for, dental bridges will be used for a long time and provide you with an effective and long-lasting solution to replace missing teeth. Simple maintenance. The maintenance of dental bridges is simple and simple. Just brush and floss your dental bridges the same way as the natural teeth. You should also make sure to visit your dentist frequently to checkups and cleans. If you take care of them, your bridges for dental use can be kept in excellent condition and provide the patient with a healthy and beautiful smile for many long time to come. Cost-effective. Dental bridges can be a budget-friendly option for replacing teeth that are missing. In comparison to other tooth replacement alternatives, like dental implants, they are typically cheaper. Dental bridges are an option that is more affordable for people who want to improve their appearance without spending a fortune. Dental bridges provide many advantages that could enhance your oral health, appearance, as well as your overall health. If you're missing any or all of your teeth, bridges for your dental health may be the best option for you. Consult your dentist for more information about bridges for dental use and if they are the right option for your dental requirements. If you take care of them and provide regular maintenance, bridges for dental use will provide you with an effective and long-lasting solution to missing teeth.